In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from your Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have when you no longer want someone to have access to the events and appointments you've shared. Whether it's a former colleague, a friend with whom you no longer need to coordinate schedules, or any other reason, this process is straightforward and secure. Let's dive in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar, or you may already have a shortcut or bookmark available. Once your calendar is open, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you will see a list of your calendars, including the one from which you want to remove someone. Next, locate the calendar from which you wish to remove a person's access. Selected calendars will be marked and you'll see a trio of vertical dots next to each calendar's name. These dots are your gateway to additional settings, so go ahead and click on them. A drop down menu will appear giving you various options. From this list, choose Settings and Sharing, which will take you to another screen filled with options related to your calendar's customization and permissions. The settings screen allows you to fine-tune your calendar's details. However, for our task today, we're going to focus on the sharing options. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Shared With. This is where you can see a list of all the people who currently have access to your calendar. It's a convenient feature that shows their names and email addresses, helping you manage who can see your shared events. Now find the person you want to remove. Next to their name or email address, you should see an X or a remove icon. Clicking this will initiate the removal process. You might be prompted with a confirmation to ensure you want to revoke their access, so if that happens, simply confirm your choice. After you click remove, the person's access is immediately revoked. They'll no longer be able to see or interact with your calendar events. This action is not just about maintaining your privacy, but also about keeping your calendar space organized and relevant to those who truly need access. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed someone from your Google Calendar. Remember, this process can be repeated anytime you need to modify who can access your events, keeping your calendar's audience perfectly tailored to your current needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.